What is up, everybody?
Hey!
It can't have music in its film.
What day is it? Hello? It's day 15, and we're in Vegas, and we're gonna rage. So, welcome to Rage Fest 2K19.
Here's what's going on. We went to a pool club. Pool club was awesome. Chilling, hanging. We took a nap. We're meeting up with Becky and Taylor because they've been hanging out with one of Taylor's friends. Yeah, no, it's been cool. It's been great. We're going out now. We might see a show and stuff. So keep it real.
To go back and forth on this. Oh my god, whoa. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Kate.
Hey guys, it's Kate. We went out, we partied, we're struggling. We also leave in the morning. And so we're packing this disaster out of the freaking room. It's 9:41. It's freaking late.
It's late.
I'm surprised we made it this late, honestly.
I was actually expecting you to say like 6 o'clock.
Yeah. So, yeah, we didn't even leave the club until 6 p.m. So anyway, I just want to show you what a disaster our room is that we are working on right now. So, that's our job right now. We'll see if we make it out. Today's video is probably going to be very short. So I hope you've enjoyed our trip. We'll have a day 16, which is going home. And I'm really sad that it's basically over. Bye. Do you guys know what Pen 15 is? The Pen 15 Club? I joined it today. She got a sweet tat. It wasn't funny.
It was kind of
Taylor
funny.
did
It's
it
a
to
serious
me.
club.
It wasn't funny because I figured it out, and then he did it.
Only because it took us so long to write it.
Are you excited that you're in the club now?
I like that you look so sad, but like you brought it up.
This trip sucks. My friends are mean.
That's why I am Lily's best friend.
Damn straight.
Guys, did you like my snap?